So today's a big deal. It's our annual craft championships. It's a day where students get to showcase their abilities. They get to compete in a friendly competition, basically illustrating all the stuff they've been taught the last 2, 3, 4, 5 years in the program, and it's all being displayed outside.
We have roughly 1,300 students that go through our program. The number kind of fluctuates, but out of all those students, the ones that are competing today are the top of the students. So they have to take a written test. Through the written test, they get to compete out here for a spot at our national competition.
Many of these students end up with further career opportunities based on this competition. This is a great opportunity for them to showcase their skills and abilities in front of our other members, in front of contractors.
It was 2006 was when I competed, and it has grown exponentially. It's just gotten more intense, more vendor involvement, more sponsor involvement, more company involvement, more student participation. It's just grown.
I was one of the people who helped design the first competition 30 years ago. So we came up with the test and the things like that. So to me, it's pretty phenomenal when you now take the best of the students and they compete here locally, then go on to compete against 60 other people that are supposed to be the best in the trade. And ultimately, if you win, you're marked as the top dog, right? You're the #1 electrician in the association, or the plumber, or whatever trade you're in.
It's a fun experience, but it's also a little nerve-wracking. You got people walking around, watching you, and trying to figure out what you're doing. Mainly, you're just trying to get the work done and show your skill sets.
For me, it's something that I want to do when I'm a third year, but it shows me that there's students that are hungry for more knowledge and that want to be the best in the trade that they do, and that they're willing to put in the extra work to make sure that they can do that.
It means the world to the students because they have a chance to become the best apprentice in the nation. Out of all the ABC chapters, we hold the most medals, and we're very proud of that.
And the other cool part about it is a lot of these kids who graduate from this program, they now own their own company. And they're members, sponsoring students. I don't know how many times we've seen second, third, fourth generation ABC in this program.
I think this is basically the beginning of their real future. I think they all see this as, hey, I'm here, it's real, I'm gonna make it, and this is actually really important to even my family, let alone my employers and my peers.
This school and this program will give you the opportunity to be successful out there.